السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. runtii maanta macnaa maalin aad iyo aad noogu weyn ayay noo tahay haddaan nahay bacda iskuulka Salaama. runtii maanta waxaan u mahad celinayaa macallimiinteeda, sidoo kale waxaan u mahad celinayaa hooyadeyda labaad Maariyo Omar Ahmed. waxaan kaloo ka marnayn geesigii i dhalay oo halkaan aan joogo ka dambeeyay inaan hortiina soo istaago aan wax ku jeediyo. aabahayga markasta waan jeclahay, waa aabahayga wuxuu ila eg yahay aabaha dunida. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and it is an honor for me to have this precious opportunity to be ahead of you all guys. So I am so glad to appear this remarkable stage. My name is Abdimajid Ahmed. First of all, I would like to thank the organizers of this bar meeting for inviting me. I am highly appreciate principals, teachers, and my parents. So if I deep down my topic is concerned success. Success is the achievement of goals or dream. It means different things to different people. Success is getting good grades for others. It may be becoming rich, famous, or simply living a happy life. People who succeed are those who never give up, even when they fail. So people face a lot of challenges and circumstances, keep moving forward. Success does not easily, it requires hard work, patience. So everyone enjoy the rest of our part, and also everyone hope you get comfortable life.